Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Kicking into Labor Day weekend. How's that? Wow. Don't take anything personally. Your truth is personal to you. Your own opinions and point of view reflect your own agreements and are personal to you. It's no one's truth but yours. It's a trippy card. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 27, NASDAQ up 66, S&P's up 9.5, gold contract down $5.50, trading at $1,313. We take a look at this gold contract. What you have out here is this, folks. And it's going to get intriguing, of course, coming into a long Labor Day weekend. So, gold out here. Yesterday, what do? You go top side, you have price, you have volume, you have everything. We did 460,000 contracts out here yesterday. You took out the highs that we've been trying to take out for quite some time. We took out the highs of the 17th of April as well as the 6th of June. Both of those highs, the 17th of April is 1307. June is 1305. When I expect the ABC structure, folks, of the A to B equals C to D was 1327. Now what I suspect you're going to have is this. You're going to move sideways. Bottom line, we're going to consolidate for a bit, and what gold is looking to do is looking to go up and into the swing high that's been laying out here since July of last year. That swing high is 1377 on the continuous contract. The October high was 1316. That's where gold gets smoked. It went from 1316 to 1249. Election, November 7th, gold went from 1338 to 1218. Those two, that's your supply line. So we made it over the swing highs. You made it with volume. Now what you're going to see is that you're going to build some cause. And, oh, this gets interesting, though. You know what? This is even better. Hold it. I just figured this is even better. You know what we just did? We just did. I have this on a weekly. And what's going to happen here, very possible that we get a weekly ABC up. Let me see this. The 11. Oh, this is going to get intriguing. Okay. I love it when this happens. Specifically, folks, what happens is that, you know, you're so far into the forest that into the woods you can't see the whole bigger picture, and it looks to me like this bigger picture at 1126. You get $1.68. Let me see what this comes out to. 168, 1204. 1370. I see. Oh, this is cool. Okay, it's the same number. So check it out. It is an ABC up. 1372 it would be the weekly ABC up. The swing point's 1377. That's where this baby's going, man. 1377. That is the highs of July of last year. Notes. The 10-year note. If we take a look at this 10-year note, actually, I'm going to bring up the 30-year bond. The reason I'm going to bring up the 30-year bond, they both took out their swing points, folks. They had volume. They had all of the above. You're going to see the 30-year. We're going into the November downdraft. Now, what's going to happen with the 30-year, I want to see it actually have a couple more points. The reason being is this. The high of November was 164. The low was 155. Now, we're eating into it. We're at 157 right now. That's saying that, you know, if we get about another point and a half, then that would be saying that 164 is game. And, of course, 164, that brings these 30-year rates down once again. Right now, the 10-year is at 2.136. You need a mortgage, you want to refinance, get out there and do it, folks. Yes, they can get lower, but bottom line, that's not a bad number. King dollar. What do we have with King dollar? King dollar out here. There's a bounce today with 29,000 contracts. Yesterday, we went downtown, and as we went downtown, you did 51,000 contracts. Now, watch how this works. The 29,000 contracts is also coming into the 44,000 that we went down on the 25th. So you can see you have contraction happening. I do expect, you're at 92,865. This thing can get up to 93,370. You can actually even get to that swing of 94.055. What you have happening, of course, is that if it bounces up the next couple days, you're going to have that contraction on volume. That's going to be a test of the lower swing point with lighter volume. And the last bounce that we had in oil, folks, was so anemic. It's phenomenal, actually. It wasn't even... The dollar should have bounced higher than it did, but it didn't. If we go over to the natural gas market, natural gas, tomorrow the numbers will come out at 10:30 in the morning. And the way natural gas is trading right now the oil market, doesn't want higher price. Natural gas, however, at 293, 294, it looks like natural gas does want to try to get up into the $3 mark. That's the way that has been shaking out. We look S&P. So let's go take a look at the S&P out here. What do we have with the S&P? The SPY out here today traded up $1.16. You've done 54 million shares. You closed out at 246.01. Now 246.01 is over the high last two swings. So what is game out here is 246.60. We made it to 246.32 today. And being a bear that I am, I like the idea of how this traded here today because if it's going to test this 246.60 tomorrow or Friday, I expect the volume is going to die in the vine once again. Today we did 58 million going against the 128 million. The small caps, what do we have inside the small caps? Small caps out here, they went up with 15 million shares. They're going against 40 million shares. The diamonds, the Dow Industrials failed on price and failed on volume. That's how the Dow shook out. Couldn't handle the price point. We got to 21,914, which was over the high of the 22nd as well as the high of the 25th. And so 22nd, 25th, and 17th. That's the days that we're looking at. So 27th, 25th, 17th. We did 646 million. Going into 766. Bottom line, get a failure on price, failure on volume. You stay right there, folks. We had the Dow Industrials finish up 27, NASDAQ up 66, S&P's up 8.5. We're going to have our man, Mr. Nico DeHaan, coming up with us, and we're going to be talking Primal Edge. We're going to be talking health, baby. Stay right there. We'll come right back.